what are the rewards of a connected strategy?
So now I'm very happy you asked this question because I'm a strategy professor, right? And that's kind of the fundamental question that I need to teach my students or my participants, right? How do you kind of create a competitive advantage, right? So the good news about connected strategies is that the technologies that underlie them are usually actually freely available, or others have already developed them, right? So if you can think about Uber, right? Uber did not develop cell phones, GPS, Google Maps, right? But they used those technologies and said, I can put this together and all of a sudden create a very disruptive business model. So these technologies are available, or you don't have to be basically a technology company to create a connected strategy. That's the good news. The bad news is, since you have access to these technologies, all of your competitors have access to this technology, right? And so I think a lot of these connected relationships, or let's just call it at least these connected experiences, will become sort of table stakes in the future, right? Everyone will expect you have them. You know, I need to have an app. You need to be able to respond quickly to me. So to create the reward, so I'm getting to your R, I'm getting to the reward, we really think it is that repeat cycle that is really fundamental to creating a competitive advantage. I am better in understanding the data, I am better in understanding you as a customer, right? And that is probably much more difficult to imitate than, I have an app or I have this particular feature, right? And so we really think that the sustainability of a competitive advantage will come through a better ability to learn. And again, I'm doing this because it's the repeat cycle. It is the learning cycle. Learning about you, learning about customers like you, that drives my insight.